Want to know most easiest and genuine way to implement authentication to your app? Then follow me. Create a project on Firebase, and let's register our app here. Copy this name, and paste it here. Give it a name. Now press Register button, download it, and put it into this location. Click on Next. Copy this line. Move to project level build Gradle and paste it. Copy this line. Paste it here. Lastly, copy this line and paste it here. Now copy it and paste it into second place of plugins. Now you are almost ready to go. Just press Next and continue. Make sure to make minimum SDK version 21. Okay, we did completed Firebase configuration to our project. Create this auth-gate class, where app will checks for authentication. Make sure to add this plugins. And import them. Add this line to ensure widget binding and initialize the app. Replace the container with Stream Builder. Pass the auth state as stream. It will checks for data. If it have no data, then it will show you sign in screen, otherwise home screen. Now just reload the project. You can see the simple screen. You can use provider config parameter to configure auth providers. You can now configure any auth provider just in one line of code. Even you don't need to build any user interface. Now you can see it have built all the required pages for email and password auth. You can also use Google, Facebook, Twitter and all providers offered by Firebase. This is our registration page. Let's fill the fields to test it. Wow, we are redirected to homepage. It will also remember your login for next time. You can test it out by reloading the app. To sign out, just go to the Sign Out button and write this code. Now you can sign out easily.